Now, all those things, assignments, quizzes, discussion, submission, they may have due dates or until due dates in campus. Okay, all the activities assigned by your teacher that need submission, or sometimes even the discussion, there are always due dates and until due dates in campus. When we say due date, it is the recommended deadline. Submissions after this day may be marked late. Okay? So when you see due date, for example, this one, if you are seeing on your screen, activity scientists and their works, due date is on July 18 at 5:30 p.m. So that means you need to submit your work on or before July 18 at 5:30 p.m. for it not to be marked absent. But if you will be sending it after 5:30 p.m., it will be marked absent. The until date is the final deadline. So for example here, the due date is July 18 at 5:30 p.m. The until date is July 21 at 5:30 p.m. Okay, so that means, teacher, does it mean I can still submit until July 10, 21? Yes. You may submit your work until July 21 at 5:30 p.m.